Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the different types of keywords in SEO. It can be classified into several types based on their purpose, intent and specificity. By understanding these different types of keywords will help you to improve your SEO, content strategy development, increase your brand visibility, organic traffic, marketing insight and for better conversion rate. Here is a breakdown of all main types of keywords which are discussed in this video. At first, we have short tail keywords, which is also known as head keywords. These are broad, generic terms, usually just one or two words. Think about the keywords like shoes, shirt, t-shirt, marketing, etc. They have a high search volume because a lot of people are searching for these terms. But they also come with high competition, and because they are so broad, the conversion rate tends to be lower since they do not indicate a specific intent. Here I would like to elaborate the terms conversion rate. Conversion rate is a metric or measurement used in marketing and sales to measure the percentage of users who take a desired action out of the total number of users who were exposed to a campaign, website, or any offer. For example, if 100 people visit a website and 5 of them make a purchase, then the conversion rate is 5%. And the next one is long tail keywords. These are much more specific and usually consist of 3 or more words. For example, best running shoes for flat feet or affordable digital marketing services. While they have a lower search volume, they also come with lower competition and higher conversion rate because they target a very specific audience with clear intent. Now let's talk about the branded keywords. These include the name of brand or product, like Nike running shoes or Adobe Photoshop tutorial. The search volume can vary depending on how renowned the brand is, but these usually come with high conversion rates because people searching for branded terms already know what they want. On the flip side, we have non-branded keywords. These do not reference any specific brand. Example would be best running shoes or graphic design software. The search volume and competition can vary, but the conversion rate is often lower compared to branded keywords because they are less specific. The next one is geo-targeted keywords, which is most important one. These are essential for local SEO and include a specific location like plumber in New York or best pizza place in London. While these keywords have a lower search volume, they come with a high conversion rate because users are looking for services in a particular area. Then we have LSI keywords or latent semantic indexing keywords. These are related to the main keyword, helping to add context to your content. For example, if your main keyword is Apple, LSI keyword would be iPhone, MacBook, or even fruit. They might not bring in tons of traffic on their own, but they help search engines better understand your content, which can boost your rankings. And the next one is transactional keywords. These are gold when it comes to conversions. These keywords show that the user is ready to make a purchase like buy running shoes online, or order pizza near me. They often have a moderate search volume, but the conversion rate is super high because these users are ready to act. And the another important type is navigational keywords. These are used when people is trying to find a specific website or page like Facebook login or YouTube tutorials. The search volume for these can be high for renowned brands, and they typically come with a high conversion rate because the users know exactly what they want. And next we have seasonal keywords. These are relevant during a specific time of year or event like Christmas gift ideas or Black Friday deals. During the season, the search volume skyrockets it that much high, and the conversion rate is high because people are often ready to make a purchase. And the last one is competitor keywords. These focus on your competitors' product or brands like Nike versus Adidas or best alternative to Zoom. Competition can be moderate to high, but these keywords can have a high conversion rate because users are comparing products or looking for alternatives. These all are the type regarding keywords. Now I would like to share some key points that will help you better identify high ranking keywords and more valuable ones. First of all, you need to ensure that whether your keywords are relevant to your niche or not. Make sure your keywords are directly related to your content or niche. This keeps your audience engaged and ensures search engines contact your content with the right people. Number 2, location based keywords. If your content targets a specific location, use local keywords to capture that audience. This is especially useful for services or content relevant to a particular area, which I have discussed in geo-targeted keywords. Number 3, low search volume. Choosing keywords with low search volume can sometimes be beneficial, mostly if you are working with a competitive niche. These keywords have less competition, making it easier for your content to rank higher in search engines. And last but not the least, use long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases. They often have lower competition and help to attract a targeted audience genuinely interested in your content. By focusing on these factors, you will improve your chances of ranking higher and reaching the right viewers. That's all for today. In the next video, I will let you know some free tools. By using them, you can search keywords easily, and those tools will make your journey in this platform easier. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO tips. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.